things are falling out. And this is it. And if you guys never seen my other not squishy video, but my vending machine video, it's kind of the same. There's just this thing that you have to put in and to pull it out. There's random stuff in here. Oh yeah, there's like a bag of squishies like this. Eraser. Kawaii corner. I love Kawaii corner so much. I got a pop and cooker in there. That's it for today, guys. Yeah, bye.